Once the package is created, different consultants can use the viewer to check the integrity of the file and consume it. Consume it is the process of accepting the design changes of the consultant and linking directly into the project. Here is the architect looking at the landscape information and consuming the information so that it's directly linked into the project. This process is repeated at established intervals in the design process. And in this case, all you need to do to see the changes is to refresh the link in Revit to understand the latest changes. You can also open the file and the file will be refreshed.